Hello, Ricky the Wedding Singer. I'm going to teach you how to crack your lower back on the bed by doing the X mode. So I'm talking about your legs spreading out like this, and then your arms relaxing, opening your chest like so. And then you're going to kick up your leg and then kick it to the other side. Alright, let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done. So you lay in bed like so. Kick back and relax. Put your arms behind your head, and then spread your legs like this. Kick it up, and then kick it to the side. Same for the side. Kick it up, to the side. Alright, please consult your chiropractor, doctor, or physical therapist. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.